Ayan, hello everyone. Hello. So, we're going to unbox para kita nyo lang. Gift from Honeybee from Bat Melody Vlog. So, and chocolate. Ayan. May chocolate tayo. Then, we have t-shirts. So, this one is from Bora. Thank you so much, Honeybee, from Bora. This one is beautiful too. Jesus saves. And I love the print. And Jesus saves. And there is a Bible verse. John 3 verse 16 to 17. Thank you, Honeybee. Thank you, Baba. Thank you for this gift. So, hello everyone. We're going to unbox a gift from Sisi Sinky. Meron siyang pag-gift. Meron siyang alaki ng pag-gift niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Anyway, thank you Sisi Sinky for this. Mag-unbox tayo ng gift from Sisi Sinky, and this one is from Sisi Ba. I unboxed it already last night. So this is it, pansit. This is from Sisi Ba, from Honeybee, Bat Melody Vlog. Jesus saves. There's a Bible verse at the back. Thank you so much, Honeybee and Sisi Sinky. Now we're going to nakatali talaga siya. We're going to untie this one. Let's see what's inside. Thank you, Sisi. Nag-abala pa talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. Thank you for the gift. Ay, wow. Ay, ang ganda naman. Dami niyang pag-gift, no? Ang bongga yung sisinki. Dami. Wow, ang dami. Ay, ang dami naman. Parang kung ang dami niyang gift. May pa t-shirt and zinky. See, it's beautiful. Thank you, Sisi. Chiren. May pa-box pa. Kung ano kaya ito? Napaka-thoughtful talaga ni Sisi. Thank you, Sisi. Chiren. Ayan. Ano kaya ito? Ayan, may pa-letter, oh. Ayan, basahin ko. Sisi, to Sisi Jax, happy birthday, Sisi. I wish you all the best. Trust God always, and He will ensure your success. Love you. Ayan. Love you always, Sisi. Thank you for this. So, di ba may pa-ballpen? Ang ganda. Ay, wow. Ano siya? Personalized. Ayan, may pangalan, oh. Sabi yung camera ko. Ayan, oh. Thank you, Sisi. Thank you so much. O, diba? May pa-personalized. May may pa-pen. Ayan. Then may pa, ano ba to? Pen ata to. Ano kaya to? Diba? Ignoramus. Yung sa ata to? Pwede sa cellphone. Pen ba to sa phone? Hindi ko alam. Basta parang pen siya. Ganun. Cellphone siguro yan. Kasi diba? Thank you so much, Sisi. Meron pa, but wait, there's more. O, diba? May pa-personalize siya. Thank you, Sissy. You're so thoughtful, Sissy. Thank you for the birthday gift. Ano, Jacks. Ayun yung Jacks, oh. Diba? Thank you so much, Sissy. Ay, ang dami niyang regalo. Ito pa. Ano to? Ah, keychain. Wait, there's more. Yeah, but wait, there is more. Meron pa din. Sharon! Wow. O, di ba may pabag ang sisi? Oh. Here's a bag. It's a bag. Thank you, sisi. O, di ba ang ganda? May pabag siya. Thank you so much. Buksan natin yung isang malaki. Ayan o. Ayan, buksan natin yung malaki. Parang dilim. Gilid muna natin tong notebook. Ay! Ayan, buksan natin. Ala. Ayan, thank you, Sissy. Ano ba to, Sissy? May pa-cover. Ako magaling humila. Hindi ko mabuksan. Sayang pag sinira yung paper bag. Shhh! Ay, wow! How cute! Ang bang pati. Wow! Oh, diba? May pa, ano ba to? Nagpa-plushy ang sisi. Wow, ang nice naman. Thank you, sisi. Thank you so much for the gift. Appreciate it, sisi ko. Thank you. Thank you, honey dear and sisi sa gift nyo. See you next time again. Oh, diba? Siyempre, hindi pa yun. That's not the last time. We'll see each other again soon. So, thank you so much, Sissy, for the gift. I really appreciate your gift. And kay Honey Dear, thank you din sa pag-gift mo. Nauna kitang in-unbox kasi may gustong kumain ng chocolate. And thank you, Honey Dear, Sissy. Love you too, love you always. And thank you, Honey Bear, for the wonderful treat yesterday. The food, the experience to the Ocean Planet. Nice. Ocean Park. And thank you so much. Thank you. Ang dilim, diba? Thank you.